It's Emmy, and today we got a winner for our giveaway. So for the winner, they get some bath bombs, coconut vanilla, or Orby squishy, glitter slime, a little squishy bear, a little squishy like dinosaur porcupine thing that has a ball in it. If you whack it, it lights up. And a cat squishy. So the winner is, drumroll please, Zoe Gura. So congratulations to her, and I'll deliver it to her. So let's go. First you'll need a bowl, glue, contact solution, and baking soda. So first you'll need this and glue. Oh, and you'll also need a spoon. So you pour this in. These of baking soda. Actually, one. Now you'll need 10 drops of contact solution. Then mix. Just add a pinch more of baking soda. Veggie tails, veggie tails.
What are we even doing?
Veggie tails, veggie tails, broccoli, celery, gotta be veggie tails. Cauliflower, sweet and sour. I don't know how it goes. Half an hour. Yes, thank you, Kylie. This is the finished product, so enjoy me playing with it.